Hey, what's up YouTube? Not really a wine drinker, but when I saw the air pump bottle opener, I had to try it. It's like a corkscrew that uses air to open wine. So I went and got a really good vintage of about $5 bottle of wine here so we can actually try it out. And we'll go ahead and we'll unbox it here. So it comes with a pour spout, which I can't imagine needing. And we've got a foil cutter, and I don't think I'm drinking expensive enough stuff to have to cut foil. And then we have the vacuum stopper, so you can actually keep your crappy wine fresh longer. And then we have the pump itself here, so we're going to try it out. And you can hear it pumping air. And I've never actually used this, did no research on it, but I think it just sticks into the cork and then pumps air in the bottle and the cork comes out. So go and we'll try it here. Gonna just I guess put that on the cork and just push it in, and we'll give it a couple of pumps here. Getting harder. Boom. Startled me a little bit, didn't think it was going to do that. Actually comes off like a champagne cork. And then I guess you can use this to actually get the cork back off and just slide it back down and it comes off. Perfect. I'm ready to pour us a little glass of wine here. Should pour some more with the vacuum stopper here. I guess we'll give it a try since we're at it here. So let me take some out of it. And I did look at the instructions on the listing for the vacuum sealer here. It says if you got about that much wine gone, you pump it like 41 times or something. I'll put a link in the description if you want to check it out. But this is actually another vacuum pump here, and it just goes in your bottle. And then you just pump it. I guess that many times is fine. Pumps all the air out. You put your cheap, crappy wine in the fridge, and I guess the taste stays better longer, of course, when wine probably tastes this bad here. I'm not sure if I left it in there for 3 or 4 days with just the wood cork back in there or the fancy vacuum cork that I would be able to tell the difference. But anyway, if you want to check it out, links in the description. Check out the 26-pound mug. I'll link for that's in the description as well. If you guys have any questions or comments, you can put them in the comments. Just remember, if you're going to be mean, at least be funny.